Hey, what's going on, fellow Homo sapiens? Here is a springtail. I'm still working on a closer identification, but I just wanted to share it with you guys anyway. Did you know there are 8,200 species of springtails globally? Some of them are truly bizarre looking, like this one. I found this one in a rotting log under some bark. I just wanted to take some time out of our busy day to appreciate this springtail. If I get a closer identification, I'll make a follow-up video. Alright, see you next time on Lifers. Like, comment, and subscribe.